Hi friends, I am John Laspina. I talk about seed oils and oxalate, and I'm going to focus on plants today. Plants take away from your nutrition more than they give. They harm more than they help. There are so many anti-nutrients in plants. Different plants have different anti-nutrients, and they are trying to kill you. They're not going to kill you unless you eat poisonous ones, but they're trying because they're trying to stay alive. There is protein in some plants, there is fat in some plants, there are vitamins and minerals in plants, but a lot of those are locked away in the phytates or the oxalate. You are only getting 10 to 15, maybe 20% of the vitamins and minerals you think you're getting, that you think are in that plant, but you're not getting it, because the minerals are being locked away. That's what oxalates do. They absorb the minerals so the plant can grow. It's kind of the way it works. When we eat that plant, we're not getting a lot of the nutrition, and we're getting those oxalates. Many plants, many nuts, beans, many vegetables have certain levels of oxalate, which is terrible. They can harm you. They can collect in the body, and then you have to excrete them, and they hurt on the way out. I've made a lot of videos and written some articles about oxalate. Eating plants, using plants in your way of eating. A lot of people who eat ketogenically have a lot of salads, they have a lot of lettuce, they have a lot of spinach, they have a lot of kale, they eat a lot of vegetables and leafy greens, and a lot of people say that's a good way to go. I disagree. I think that you are eating a lot of roughage, there's a lot of fiber, and you have to eat a lot to get the vitamins and minerals that you can get from meat. I recommend staying away from plants more and embracing the animal side more, because animal products have no oxalate. They have no phytates. There are no anti-nutrients in animal products. Your body is meant for animal products. It likes it. It absorbs the nutrition, the proteins, the amino acids that make up all the proteins, all the fatty acids, omega-6 and omega-3 in a healthy ratio. You are getting your nutrition. Plants you're working against yourself when you eat plants. Some people like them. Some people add them in. I just believe that we're better with less. We're healthier with more animal products and less plant material. Find your path. Many people realize the plants, they are trying to kill you. They're not as good for you as you think. You hear all those commercials. You have to have so many servings of fruits and vegetables, and they even have these new pills out. Fruits and vegetables in a gummy, in a pill. I can't even begin to explain how bad that is and how wrong that is for you. Eat more animal products, less plants, and you'll see the difference. Do an experiment with your body and see if it's true. Take care.